In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Twitter or X thread step by step. If you want to share a longer story, break down an idea, post a tutorial, or turn one thought into a full conversation, threads are one of the best ways to do it. They help you keep people engaged, make your content easier to follow, and give your post a much better chance of being read all the way through. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open the X app or go to Twitter on your browser and tap the Post or Compose button. This is where you'll start your thread. Your first tweet is the most important one because it works like the headline for everything that follows. So make sure it grabs attention right away. You want your opening tweet to be clear, interesting, and strong enough to make someone want to keep reading. Think of the first tweet as the hook. You can ask a question, make a bold statement, tease a useful tip, or introduce a topic people care about. The goal is to stop the scroll and make the reader curious. If the first tweet is weak, people may never tap into the rest of the thread, so spend a little extra time getting that first line right. Once your first tweet is drafted, don't post it yet. Instead, look for the plus icon below your text. Tap that plus button to open the next post in the series. This is what turns a single tweet into a thread. Each time you tap the plus icon, you can add another tweet beneath the first one, building out your full message step by step. Now continue writing your thread in smaller sections. Keep each tweet focused on one idea so the thread stays easy to read. You can use the next tweet to explain your point, share a step, add context, give an example, or move the story forward. A good thread feels organized, natural, and easy to follow from one tweet to the next. As you add more tweets, keep checking the flow. Make sure each tweet connects logically to the one before it. If you're creating a tutorial thread, for example, each post should lead into the next like a set of instructions. If you're telling a story, each tweet should build the narrative in a way that keeps people interested. You can keep tapping the plus icon and adding tweets until your thread is complete. There's no need to rush. The better your structure, the easier it will be for readers to stay engaged. A strong thread usually has a clear opening, a helpful middle, and a simple ending that wraps everything up. Once you've finished writing all of your tweets, take one final look through the thread before posting. Read it from top to bottom and make sure everything makes sense, spelling is correct, and the wording flows well. This quick review can make a big difference in how professional your thread looks.